Hello and happy Friday to you. Let's check out what's happening around the nation this weekend weather-wise. So there will still be a few lingering showers and even storms about the east coast, and some afternoon showers and storms developing along this trough line extending from southeast Queensland all the way up into the Kimberley. For the remainder, however, it's going to be dominated by this high pressure system here, extending a ridge and bringing really calm and settled conditions. Now zooming into Queensland, the main watch point are going to be those isolated showers and storms extending from the northwest down into the southeast, and there's even a risk of severe thunderstorms about the Wide Bay and adjacent land areas, bringing damaging winds or large hail. Now for Brisbane, there's a chance of showers which will be most likely during the afternoon, and even a risk of a thunderstorm during the afternoon as well, a top of 33 degrees. Down in New South Wales, here are those lingering showers about the coast extending in towards the ranges, and also a risk for storms about the far northeast. But as we move inland, dry and sunny conditions. For Sydney, it'll be a sunny morning with a chance of showers during the afternoon or evening. Down in Victoria, showers on and south of the ranges, more frequent in the east, but starting to dry out and become more isolated during the afternoon. For Melbourne, it'll start off showery, particularly about the eastern suburbs, but starting to dry out during the afternoons with some sunny breaks developing, a top of 18 degrees. For Tasmania, showers about the west and the south coast, becoming more isolated and far more light during the day. Hobart, a partly cloudy day and a top of 20 degrees. Over in South Australia, generally dry and sunny conditions will dominate, apart from the risk of some showers just about this really far southeast coast. For Adelaide, a fine and sunny day, a top of 22 degrees. Over in WA, just some very isolated showers about the far southwest. Heat really building east of this trough, however, much warmer in through there inland. For Perth, we're forecasting a cloudy day with a risk of showers about the far southern suburbs. Moving to the tropics, isolated showers and storms really starting to pop up during the afternoon and into the evening. Forecasting for Darwin, a top of 33 degrees with showers or storms mainly during the afternoon. Now for Sunday, there's still just a few very isolated showers about the east coast, also a risk of thunderstorms about the central coast of Queensland and adjacent land areas, but shifting the focus out into the west, this cold front will see a return of the wet and windy weather later in the day for WA. Up in the tropics, however, those afternoon showers and storms are on the forecast again. So you can check your local forecast via the Bureau website, the app or social media. Otherwise, have a great weekend. Bye for now.